welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. As you can see by the setup, I'm actually wearing makeup at the start of my video, which doesn't usually happen. Oh, and plus the title, you can tell that today we're doing something a bit different. It was my birthday last week and I'm showing you what I got for my birthday. I did what I got for Christmas at the start of the year and you guys seem to love that. I got great interaction with it, so I thought, why not, let's do my birthday. Before I start this video, I want to say that I'm not bragging, I just wanted to show you what I got because you seem to enjoy it. And if you don't enjoy it, you don't have to watch this video. But if you do, stick around. Remember to hit the thumbs up button if you do enjoy this video and to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and a lot of makeup, as that's what I usually do, but every so often we have an odd different videos. So like this video. If you want to know what videos I do show, check out my channel as I have quite a few on there already. Anyway, let's jump on into the video. So I have a few presents around me, you may be able to see them, and I'm just going to show you what I got basically. I'm just going to go from person to person, and of course I'm going to have to start off with my amazing boyfriend. Can you tell by the packaging of this box where it's from? This is a Lush like gift, what is it called? Yeah, like a Lush gift box. So my favourite scent is the Sleepy scent. It's like lavender, I want to say chamomile. It's like so good to relax and wind down, and I love baths. You might be able to tell that we might have a fume today, but I love baths, so this is a hit for me, and I've used majority of these products before. But first we have the Dream Cream, which is like it's a body lotion, but it's like super gentle for your skin, so if you do have sensitive skin, this is a really good one. Next we have a bubble bar, which I like to cut up and then put it in a sieve and then run it under the tap to make the most of the bubbles. You get loads, and you can get quite a few baths out of this. So I would say this one, maybe 4. And again, it's in that Sleepy scent. So good. And the colours are really cute, my favourite colours. I do love pink. Next in this package, you get a Twilight bath bomb. So again, same scent, beautiful pink colour, and who doesn't love a bath bomb? And lastly is the Sleepy body lotion. I absolutely love this because I love the scent, as I've said, love the colour, but Lush like shower gels have like a thicker consistency and I feel like they're really moisturising. So I've literally run out of the one that he got me for Christmas, so this has come at a good time. And that might sound weird because it's only a small bottle when I should be washing more than I do. I just don't always use this. I have other products too. Just wanted to put that out there if people think I'm weird. But if you have a look, this is the whole set together. Thank you very much to my amazing boyfriend. He also got me the Good Girl perfume. This is the Good Girl Supreme version from Carolina Herrera. This is my second bottle. He actually bought me my first bottle of this and I love it. He noticed I was running out, so he got me another one, which is so good. I know the normal Good Girl was trending I don't know, a few months ago on TikTok, but if you haven't tried the Supreme, you need to try it. Also, let me just show you what this bottle looks like. Look how stunning that is. I love the sparkles and I think the design is quite unique. So let's keep on moving on this side and then go that way for all the gifts. So these ones are from my best friend. We've been best friends since school. Yeah, since school, so like over 10 years now, which I find ridiculous because I still think I'm really young. But I'm not. I actually turned 23 if you're wondering. So first she got me this Fruitworks like mask set. So it has like loads of different masks in. I've never seen anything like this. I think it's pretty cool. And inside you got a clay face mask, a brightening, oh I said that wrong. Inside you have a clarifying face mask, a brightening face mask, a hair boost and a body scrub mask. So that's great. 2 for the face, 1 for the body, 1 for the hair. Bit of everything. And I guess if you try them out, you might be able to buy the big ones, but I just thought it was really cute because if you didn't realise, I love baths, as I always say, and putting a face mask on while you're relaxing in the bath and watching the Love Island, cannot think of anything better. Alongside with this, she's got me some Fruitworks mini bath bombs. They're so cute. I mean, sometimes I do feel like the Lush bath bombs are huge and you can cut them in half and reuse them. Or like use half in one bath, half the other. So I don't know, this would be cute. And I have like mini explosions in my bath. It's in the scent cherry oil. But honestly, if you smell it, it smells like sherbet. I don't know. It's absolutely amazing. But they also look like little sweets, like little bonbons. Like, I could just eat one. But that's not advised, don't do that. So thank you for this. I didn't even realise these are Fruitworks, so these are the same brand. That's cool. Next, I've got an eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. So again, this is also from my best friend. This is the Romantic Nomad palette and it has 16 colours. She honestly said, you have loads of makeup, I know you probably don't need this. And I was like, girl, you can never have enough makeup. Love it to pieces. But she said she loved the aesthetic of all the colours. So if I show you what they look like, this is what they look like. Absolutely gorgeous. Should we test what they look like the pigmented? Let's try this one here. Woo! Wow, she's stunning. Let's try another one. Pick which colour. Just kidding, you can't. I have to try a pink. I'm a pink girly. And let's swatch that one. Oh, they're so cute, you know. I quite like them. Thank you so much for that. So next, let's move on to this side. On this side, we have my parents and my sister and her boyfriend. So let's have a look at what my sister got me. She got me the Inkless Retinol Serum. You may be thinking why she got this. Like, is she saying I'm old? Is it I'm turning 23 and now I need to stop getting wrinkles or something? But no, I actually asked for this. Like, I had a list of a few things that I wanted and I really wanted some retinol serum. Because if I can get it as a present instead of buying it myself, I'm going to do that. I want to save some money. But I haven't yet tried it. So let me know if you want to know how this works. I normally make cute little try on or testing videos on my TikTok, so follow me there if you want to see that. But I just feel like recently I've been smiling a lot and getting some crow's feet, and I just want to look after my skin and stay youthful for as long as you can. Staying on that youthful skin and that skincare journey, she got me the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. So this is SPF 50 and it's like a skin one. I don't know if you've seen it, but it was like super viral on TikTok for a while, and I just wanted to try it because the one that I have currently is the Bondi Sands one, and I find it a little greasy, but this one, I've tried it already. It just sits under makeup so nicely, and your makeup doesn't slip and slide about, so definitely jump on the trend. And also what's funny is that as she bought me one, she bought one for herself and she's loving it as well. She also got me the Sunday Rain bath salts. So yep, the trend is there. Baths, love them. So these are the Sleep Easy soak-in salts, which is lavender and cedarwood, which I feel like will smell very similar to the Sleepy scent. Oh my god, it does. Oh, I love this. I just can't get enough. So I can't wait to be using this and relaxing, because I go to the gym as well, if you didn't know. And I get home from the gym when I jump in a bath, and salts in your bath to sort of relax your muscles. I'm not as sure the specific science behind it, but it does, it works, so thanks so much. And also, can we just take some time to appreciate the tiny little scoop? It's so cute. And also I can reuse it, like on my other ones, or my other bath salts. Now we're going to move on to what my mum and dad got me, so I'm so grateful for them, and they brought me up and I love them to pieces, so thank you so much. One of the gifts they did get me was a coffee bean grinder and some coffee beans, because I have coffee every day, and I got a machine for Christmas. If you haven't seen that video, well, like the what I got for Christmas video is in there, but that's what I'm referring to, and I love it. And I just wanted to like get little pieces that can improve it, so grinding my own beans will make the coffee fresher. So they got me one of those, and I've been using it every day since, and it's dirty, so I haven't got it on me now, but that's great, and I love that, mum and dad. I use it every day. It's a great gift. Next, right, so my mum used to be an Avon rep. I think she kind of is a little bit, but she doesn't do it like full time, or she doesn't do it as much anymore. And I used to be obsessed with the scent Far Away, and whenever there was a new like line, because they have different scents of Far and Away. They have the original, then they have like a midnight version, and a gold version, with a few others. But I used to get them all, and nostalgia comes back because there was another line come out and she got me the entire gift set. So that's a mini perfume, a full perfume, and the body lotion. So this is the Far Away Endless Sun, which basically explains that it's a summer perfume. But let me smell it to remind myself what it smells like. It's quite light, very floral, with like a hint of orange. So I feel like that'll be perfect for the summer. And I also like how she got me the mini one as well, because I'm going on holiday and I don't want to take a full bottle because it could break or I could lose it, and perfume can be expensive. The small one is perfect to travel with. And then of course the body lotion I could just put everywhere. Keeping on the Avon theme and the skincare theme, this is the Hydrate and Plump Concentrate. So it's like a hyaluronic acid. I think it's meant to be like a dupe for the L'Oreal Infallible, that's the foundation. The L'Oreal, I don't know, the one with the rollers. That serum. So it's a hyaluronic serum with some extras in there to hydrate and look after your skin, and that's great because I'm running out of the one that I had, and who doesn't love a hyaluronic acid? Honestly, I like to treat myself when it comes to skincare and pampering. Probably use too much time on my day to look after my skin. So those are the main gifts I got for my birthday, and I am extremely grateful. I was also lucky enough to get a little bit of birthday money, so at the weekend I'm going shopping to Cribbs Causeway. So hopefully if I buy a few items, we could do another like a haul. Would you be interested in that? I'm looking to get some summer clothes and maybe some more makeup, just treat myself. I say treat myself, use the birthday money I got to buy a few items. And again, I want to say thank you so much for everyone who's got me presents, and not just presents, but like has supported me and appreciates me. Just always been there for me. It means so much to me. And that's the same to you guys. Any of you that are subscribed, I want to say thank you so much. I've been on this YouTube journey for about a year now, and I feel like it's going well. It's got a bit slow at times and I found it kind of difficult, but I always enjoy making these videos because I've always watched them and I'm like, oh, that's so cool. And like, I've gained so much experience through watching them. I thought, let's see if I can do it, because I don't know, I just enjoy it a lot. But anyway, don't mean to ramble on. So I'm just gonna close off here. I wanted to thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It does mean so much to me. If you did enjoy this video, and if you've watched this far, I'm pretty sure you did, please hit the thumbs up button to support me, and to subscribe to my channel to see more of me, makeup fun, or whatever kind of videos you want, you can suggest in the comments. But anyways, I will see you in my next video next week. Bye guys!